Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an ESX server for Fivem. First, understand that ESX Legacy is a powerful, open-source framework that transforms your Fivem server into an immersive roleplay experience, adding features like jobs, economies, and inventories. To begin, you'll need a running Fivem server, a database system like MySQL or MariaDB, and a reliable text editor. Ensure your hardware meets the minimum requirements, such as a quad-core processor and at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth operation. Next, let's get your database and server files in order. You'll need to create a new database using a tool like phpMyAdmin or HeidiSQL, then import the ES extended SQL file found within your ESX download. This sets up all the necessary tables for your server's data. After that, download the ESX Legacy Framework files from their official repository and extract them directly into your Fivem server's resources folder, typically under a directory named Desks for Organization. Now it's time for configuration and launch. Open your server, CFG file, and add ensure lines for all your ESX resources, ensuring they load in the correct order. Crucially, navigate to the ES Extended Resource folder, open its config, Lua file, and update the database connection details to match your MySQL setup. Once these configurations are saved, you can start your Fivem server. Launch the server executable or use your server management tool. Then connect to your server to verify everything is running correctly. After your ESX server is up and running, the real fun begins with customization. You can enhance your server by adding new resources like jobs, vehicles, or custom UI elements. Simply place these new scripts into your resources folder and add an ensure line to your server. CFG file. Remember to check each resource's config. Lua for specific settings you can adjust, such as player salaries or notification styles. And speaking of making things better, if your car needs a refresh, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.